So we all know something interesting just happened. Claude Code was accidentally made open source. Now here's the exciting part. A project called OpenClaude was built on top of that leaked code base. And honestly, it feels almost exactly like Claude Code, but now it's fully open source. That means more freedom, more flexibility, and no lock in. The best thing is it's not tied to any single ecosystem. You're not restricted to one provider or one model. If a service supports OpenAI compatible APIs, you can connect it easily. That's powerful. In this video, we're going to set it up and connect it with Ollama Cloud. We'll also use Copilot, and it doesn't matter if you're on a free plan or a pro plan of GitHub Copilot, everything will work. Let's start with the setup. First, install OpenClaude globally, just like any other CLI tool. Run npm install globally OpenClaude. Once it's installed, we need to configure a few things. We'll enable OpenAI compatibility mode. Then we'll set the base URL to ollama.com/v1. After that, we add the API key. This will be your Ollama Cloud API key, which you can get by creating a free account on their website. Finally, we choose the model. We'll use GLM5. You might think of using GLM 5.1, but that's not available on Ollama yet, so stick with GLM 5. Once everything is configured, the interface looks really clean. Very similar to Claude Code. You can start asking questions right away, and the responses are surprisingly good. It also supports slash commands like Ralph loop and more, so you can explore and try different things. Now that we have this running with Ollama, next we'll move ahead and connect it with Copilot. Using Copilot here is a bit interesting, but very easy once you follow the steps. I've added the repository link in the description, so make sure to check that out. Now go to the quick start section. First, clone the repository, then install all the packages. After that, rename the env.example file to .env. Once that's done, start the server using pnpm run dev. When the server starts, it will run on localhost port 3000. Open it in your browser and wait until everything loads properly. Then click on Generate New Token. This will start a device login process. You'll get a link and a device code. Open the link, choose your GitHub account, and enter the device code. Don't worry, this process is completely safe. Nothing is being sent anywhere else, everything stays on your device. After authentication is complete, come back to the dashboard. You'll see that your token is saved. If you refresh the page, you'll also see your usage quota and limits. Now just set any saved token as default. We make it default so that we don't have to pass the token again and again in every request. The server will automatically use the default one. Now go back to your terminal. We need to export a few variables. First, enable OpenAI compatibility mode. Then set the base URL to your local server, which is localhost 3000/v1. After that, set the API key. You can put anything here, it just needs to have some value. And finally, select the model. Right now, I'm using GPT-4o. And that's it. Now you're fully set up. You can start coding, chatting, running loops, or doing anything you want using the OpenClaude CLI. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support. If you found this helpful, don't forget to start the repository.